Wow, whānau, this is a little bit of a surprise. The crew of the Ātaka, which is a trust up here in Opua, said we wanted to jump on and just see the crew sail off, and yeah, we jumped on and just escorting them out. That's Te Karere, and got a crew of 13, I believe, on there, and yeah, sailing up to on a Wakahaurua up to Vanuatu. There's Caleb taking a photo of us. But yeah, pretty awesome, really. You know, the Toki Foraging Trust. There's a kaupapa of maintaining and lifting up the Wakahaurua kaupapa, traditional navigation, sailing, and just revitalising and encouraging Papua New Guinea River country in the South Pacific to retain trust there. And so, yeah, heading up north. 10, 15 days, 20 days sail. Going to get up to 180 knots winds. It's way